What's up, guys? 2018 Gold Rush Mini Helmet, Random Divisions number 4. Going live, timestamp 558. Already have the divisions and the names in. Dice has to be 4 more. It is a 6 going 6 times. We throw you in the spreadsheet. Wherever you end up, that is who you get. AFC South, NFC South on the bottom. SUIPRY. Code for the divisions. Damn, Patriots won. Again, 4 more. It is a 4. 4 times on the names. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Dave Jenkins on top. Brian Kolish on the bottom. ODDORO is the code. There you go, guys. That's who everybody has. And we are done. Timestamp is 559. Thanks, guys.